Hello! In this video, I would tell more about DocStudio and the possible implementation of X12 supply chain documents flow within DocStudio. DocStudio is all-in-one e-document platform for smooth and sustainable transition for existing doc flows covering all corporate needs that allows exchanging different types of documents via Web EDI, EDI, or integrated methods. DocStudio providing full flexibility for both sides. Particular enterprise can start interchange with suppliers without integration. Just using web interface and later, after admitting all benefits, they can build integration to their systems. DocStudio is a template-based platform that allows to implement any type of the document following well-known standards like X12 supply chain. Further in the video, we would look at the following implemented documents: 850 purchase order, 855 purchase order acknowledgement, 856 advance ship notice, 810 invoice. Every document could be easily configured due to specific needs and requirements. No technical or coding skills needed to change, add, or delete fields. With wide DocStudio functionality, it's easy to set up document scenarios and flows. Let's dive deeper into the DocStudio functionality. To start using DocStudio, you could either create new account or sign into the already existing. DocStudio is a template-based platform. Directly on the platform, you are able to create a template of the document from scratch and set the required processing flow, or choose the template of the document from the already existing templates library. In this case, we have several types of X12 EDI supply chain documents for businesses in the retail and retail supply chain ecosystem. Type of documents like 850 purchase order, 855 purchase order acknowledgement, 856 advance ship notice, 810 invoice. Now we are going to edit an existing template of the document. Let's have a look on 850 purchase order. Here you are able to easily change or delete existing information. Add additional fields to the document. On the right side, you could set up template settings and configure processing flow. Add participants and assign particular roles to them. Directly from the template, you are able to initiate an envelope of the document. If you are Web EDI user, you could fill the data by yourself. If you are integrated user, data would be filled automatically from the system DocStudio integrated with. To shorten the time, I would show how already completed document 850 looks like. Here on the document status, we could see that the document has been completed. Directly from the completed document envelope, we could download the whole archive of the completed document. Inside there would be the audit trial, completed document in PDF format, and document processing certificate. And also 850 document in machine-readable structured XML format. There is need to mention about one more functionality of the platform: scenarios. This functionality allows to create one type of the document based on the data from another document connected to the flow. This is kind of a chain of several related to each other documents. I'm initiating and filling purchase order first and would send this document to my counterparty. When counterparty received a purchase order from my side, there would be a green button that allows to initiate 810 invoice in response with the date uploaded from received purchase order. To complete an invoice, there is a need to fill required fields and send the document. The chain from 850 and 810 documents has been completed. Functionality scenarios allows to implement any required documents flow for any business process. Let's cover one more capability of the platform, dictionaries. Within dictionaries, users could manage and use X12 external code lists and other lists that needed. Let's look at one of the X12 code lists, line item status code. On the left column, we could see the code itself, and on the right column, definition of the code. Dictionaries could be created and managed manually or integrated and uploaded from external system. Such data like list of items, their description, UPC codes, prices, or list of current suppliers of the company. Let's move to the last part of the demo, integrations functionality within DocStudio. There is integration settings where you can configure your integration with DocStudio using such protocols of the data transfer as SFTP, as2, SOAP, and API. There is inbuilt converting or mapping tool that allows to convert X12, iDoc, UBL, EANKOM, PIDX format to DocStudio internal format and to the needed receiver's format, back and forth. On the left side, we could upload a document in external XML format. In the middle, there is a converting rule for current document. After we press button Run Conversion, file would be converted to internal DocStudio XML format. Such process works for both sides. We are able to convert 850 document from internal DocStudio to X12 text format. There are much more functionality and capabilities of the platform to cover all document business processes. Thank you very much for your time. We look forward to hearing from you and would be happy to answer your questions. Have a good day.